everyone, me and Kak Sis will discuss the business process that you have watched. The business process that you watch is expenditure cycle. Kak Sis, do you have any question?
Yes, Miss Elda. Can you explain the definition of expenditure cycle?
I will explain the definition of expenditure cycle. Expenditure cycle is a recurring set of business activities and related data processing operation associated with the purchase of and payment for goods and services.
What about the primary objective of expenditure cycle?
Yes, the primary objective of expenditure cycle is to minimize the total cost of acquiring and maintaining inventories, supplies, and various services the organization needs to function. Is there any question, Kak?
Yes, Miss Elda. Are there many documents involved in expenditure cycle?
Yeah, there are many documents that involve in expenditure cycle. First thing first is purchasing requisition documents. Do you know what is the difference between purchase requisition and PO, purchase order document?
No, Miss Elda. Can you explain?
I will explain. Purchase requisition is a document from internal unit from the organization and asking to the purchase officer. The purchase order made by purchasing officer and give it to the supplier. So, the definition, purchase requisition is a document that identifies the requisitioner, specifies the delivery location and data needed, identifies the item numbers, description, quantity, and price of each item requested, and may suggest a supplier. How about the purchase order? Purchase order requires a supplier to sell and deliver specified products at designated prices. It is also a promise to pay and becomes a contract once the supplier accepts it. Do you understand, Kak Sis?
Yes.
Good. And for the next document is receiving report. Receiving report is a document that records details about each delivery, including the date received, shipper, supplier, and quantity received. And the last but not least is debit memo. Debit memo is a document used to record a reduction to the balance due to a supplier.
Thank you, Miss Elda.
See you next time. Keep it up and happy learning. Thank you.